My Firebot stuff is not working. Oh, well, that's a bit of an issue. So there's a lot of stuff that's not working right now for seemingly no reason. I don't know if it's actually doing the shout out. And I also don't see the music that I have coming out in OBS. So everything's great here. Everything's great. Don't worry about it. I wish there was a way to clear the chat. There's a lot of me messing with stuff there. Sound. Why are you not doing sound? Can you hear music? Can anyone out there hear music? Can anyone out there hear me? Am I alive? Am I real? What is real? My internet connection fluctuates between bad and worse. I don't know the lyrics that go to the next verse. Seems that I may be under some kind of curse. Really couldn't tell you what the issue is here. Let me try. Is that also not? It's like there's something going on where my audio input is being output to my audio output, but at the same time, nothing else is, which is entirely entirely incorrect. How about now? No? How about now? It's doing the same thing. I know I sound calm, but I'm crying on the inside. I want music. This is frustrating. Put in all this work, got this cool, fancy second monitor. It's just destroying me. OBS is popping in and out. It's triggering, but it's not actually doing the thing. Oh, there it goes, finally. Okay, I figured it out. Ugh. Alright, 1 out of 2 issues. Okay, it says I've dropped half of my frames. I do not think this is working. Hey, what's up, Vish? Good night. uh, yeah, the timing does not ever work out for you, does it? Apologies. It's okay, because it looks like everything is going bad anyways. I'm having a lot of issues. Okay. I don't know why it's not piping through the music properly. Can I, like, audio input capture? Yeah. Give me that. It looks like it's doing something. Okay, what if I do this? It's like tiniest music in the world in the back, or is it not tied to my headphones? It's everything's at max volume and it's like barely registering. Properties. That is not true. Okay. Hold on. This might be the wrong one. Get rid of that. Output. Give me output. And I want it on... Sure, that one. Well, wait, no. HDMI 2 shouldn't be that one, right? What about this one? Oh, God. Is that... Alright. Are we going? Are we jamming? Yeah, music. It's not playing now? It looks like it's playing now. What's happening? Okay, cool. Alright, now I'm gonna mess with it even more than I should. Okay. Let's pause this. Okay, no, so it still does give an echo. My chat is slow to appear. Everything is slow. My internet sucks right now. I live in California, and there is water everywhere, and we don't know how to deal with water. And on top of that, there is I got a new computer, an actual computer, since most of my entire experience has been on a laptop, and it has probably the worst Wi-Fi card I've ever experienced. So it just struggles to reach my internet. I am getting a PCIe card to put in to hopefully fix that issue, but for now, I have to use some real jank setup to actually get it to connect. So yeah, the chat thing is messed up. Also, I need to figure out a better chat system. Because usually I just did a thing that was called Ghost Chat, but that doesn't seem to be available for Linux, which I'm running Linux now. I wanted to be part of the Cool Kids Club. This is the price. Man, it really fluctuates in quality, but I apologize. There's not much I can do about that. Gotta wait for the Amazon. Yeah, I wish there was a way to pop out the chat from Firebot or something. It's jamming, but I don't like audio. I don't like lyrics when I'm doing this stuff. Let's change everything. Trying to see if there's anything else I can use instead. Vibe and putting things into a calendar. That's cool. What are you planning? I am somebody who uses a calendar literally because I have to. Otherwise I will forget things. Other than that, I'm not very plan oriented. Do 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 do. Into my calendar that I think I would enjoy going. What if I didn't though? Let's see if this works. I'm gonna really quickly try to install something and hopefully it'll be better than the jank I got going on. This whole thing, I've been using so many like laptops and stuff that Wi-Fi hasn't really been an issue for me, but now I'm like tempted just to go through and do like a full network cabinet install, put in Cat 6 drop in every room, go crazy with it, because it bothers me that it wasn't done properly in the first place. Okay. What are the dependencies for this thing? And go back to this. Do I have... There's so many little things that come with a new computer, man. Keep trying to type in the terminal, and I'm not on the terminal thing. Just makes me do weird things. Oh my god, I keep doing it. Just see my browser window going crazy. I once had a friend borrow my laptop for a bit and she used Dvorak. I got it back and it made me feel like I had a stroke. It was so confusing. I use Dvorak on my phone and every time I hand my phone to a friend, they just look at me with an intense like, why? Why? I mean, I know why, but also so confusing. You know, just honestly, I just think it's funny. I just think it's, I just think it's a little funny thing. I like, I do a lot of stuff on my phone just because it's always on me. And just having that little bit of efficiency is fun, and also the difference is fun. Just like, if someone were to try to grab my phone and do something with it, it'd be like, go ahead, try. Okay. That's surely not everything, right? Isn't it bin? Confusing. Maybe it's just already there. Maybe I am making this too complicated. I am confused as to how this works. How do I do this? So I'm trying to set up a Linux OBS browser source thing that should theoretically allow me to place chat in a better spot. I'm realizing I just accidentally put this big old thing on the screen. Whoops. Get rid of it. Basically, just there's no support for Linux anywhere, and I want a chat overlay. I right now have like this thing popped out, but it's not the best. It's very good, except no one likes it. Sure, we'll try this. Let's do stable, please. I'm very stuck in my like decision on how to do streaming stuff, on whether I want to do everything correct and good, or if I just want to show up and see what happens. Do not show on stream, how dare you? There is no correct and good, just do it. I mean, there's objectively like better ways to do things. I'm not saying like that as like a attack on myself. I want to find like the way that I think is most efficient. I think a lot of people kind of just get in the habit of like, this is the way people do things, so this is what I gotta do. Yeah, once again, I really wish I could just pop... Oh, now I'm offline. I wish I could just use Firebot, but it's kind of... Yeah. It doesn't have a way to pop out its chat that I know of. I'll try sending something in chat. Testing chat. There it is. That seems to be a bit better. Is there a way to like... I can open it in browser, that's good. Hey. Is there a way to like make it disappear? Theme dark to layout message. Oh, that's kind of nice. Separating with lines. I like that. Hide deleted messages. I don't know if there's a way to make the messages time out. Or like fade out after a certain amount of time. Alright. I will just deal with this then. There we go. That's totally visible. I can do this so now you can't see what I'm typing. Okay, time to actually do the thing I came here to do, instead of futzing around with a million different things. I'm not gonna be super chatting this stream. I'm gonna be more focusing on doing work and organizing my brain, because clearly that is a losing battle. So let's see what I have so far. Oh, right. Let's get a new instance going so I don't mess up my overlay. Okay, there we go. Get rid of this guy, get rid of this guy. And let's see if my computer... the transparent background thing is still happening. No. No, that's probably the one I needed to uncheck. Yeah, that's better. Oh, that's kind of funny. I didn't realize I made it register on mouse clicks, but it registers the mouse wheel as a mouse click as well. So Oops. Basic spell. This is a click. This is a click. They have their own memories, which is good because of the scaling. So, what's a good goal for today? Try to get shooting working. I'm trying to make it so I can actually fire projectiles. Cast spell. So it's going to need a reference to the spell book right here. Assign it for both of them. Renaming it, I hope doesn't mess it up. Oh wait, no, it actually, I'm just... No, yeah, that's right. I need the path. And then the cast spell is gonna need some stuff. Well, actually no, because I have everything set. Okay, so let's just try this for now. We are going to get the spell we're going to cast, and that is spell book dot get child, and it's going to be the spell index. If spell is null, freak out. And boot out. Okay, and we got spellbook, a child, spell index. How far away should I put it? That means I gotta know the size of the spell, the radius of it. One of the things that I want as like a more core, so let's do that, and I need I don't know how to say it. It's like design pillars, but I don't think that's quite right. I'm gonna put design pillars for now. Oops. One of those is that I want I don't know how to say this. Atomize effects. Basically, I want the effects to be something that do not have specific references. So, like, a spell might remember who cast it in order to resolve its effect, but I want it so that most things are just like in the world, right? If you throw a fireball straight up and it comes back down, it's not going to not hurt you because it remembers you. I want it to actually be able to hit you as well. Ambient spell safety. I don't know. There's not a great way to say it. Friendly fire. I could put that. Friendly fire enabled. The best I can think of is the locally aware effects. You know, it's not going to have any sort of global knowledge that will save you. I'll figure it out. Which means I have to be able to spawn it a certain distance away from the player so it doesn't just immediately, you know, detonate, basically, is the easiest way to think about it. Is that so it doesn't immediately resolve its effect. Like, if you have something that's like, oh, it activates when a player is near, and then it's like, oh, cool, you spawn me, and I'm near you, blow up. You know, that would be a problem. So let's see what I have for spells. I guess I'm just gonna do the easy thing, and I'm gonna add a radius. What are these things actually set to? 8, 10. Well, I'll give it 16. I'll give it a little extra. Yep. Have fun on your call. See ya. Thanks for stopping by. Okay. So we also are going to need the player radius, but I can actually get that. Let's do self radius, and that's gonna be collision shape. And the spell radius is just gonna be spell.radius. So then we go new spell dot global position. It's going to be equal to global position plus right dot rotated angle times. All right, this is gonna be the whole thing. Yeah, so we'll do distance. Distance is going to be each plus each other. When does my PCIe card get here? Thursday. Okay. La 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 la. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out a little bit better how to pass. What do you mean? Okay, so let's get that button, this one, right? Yeah. Everything has to fit properly. So we'll change it off of toggle. And we'll just say... we're gonna mess things up. Well, actually, it's going okay for now? Maybe? Nope, the internet died again. God, I really need to get that PCIe card. Yeah, give me 1 second. I'm gonna try to do something to make it a little better. It is... the internet is crying right now for me.